Are you looking for the best free slots app that pays real money and want to know if Givvy Slots is it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and many viewers have asked me about this app, and therefore I decided to test it. And in this Givvy Slots app review, I'll give you an inside look and show both the pros and the cons. And let me just reveal right away that it is potentially a free way to earn by spinning and winning, but you do need to do it with the right expectations and know all the details, and that's what I will show you. So let's jump inside so you can see exactly what to expect. So before I log into the app, let's talk about who can join, because Givvy Slots is an app you can download completely for free, but only for Android devices through the Google Play Store. So if you want to earn by using an iOS device, I will leave a link in the top corner to a video I have about options like that. But other than that, you can join Givvy Slots or download it from more or less all countries. If you can't find it in your Google Play Store where you live, then it's because it's not available in your country. But from what I've been able to find out, it's available in more or less all countries. But let me now then just log in and pull it up on the screen, and then you can see exactly how it works so you can find out if it's worth it or not. So I have now logged into Givvy Slots, and the main way it sells itself is by spinning and winning, but it also offers other ways to earn that we will also go over. Let's go over this first, this Givvy Slots, or the whole way you can spin and win, because it's quite easy. You see there's just a jackpot there, or you can click to play. So I just click to play, and then all I need to do is to use this free spin, and you can see how much you bet there, and I just click to get the free spin, and then you see it just rolls, and if I win something, you can see then it's added to my account up there, and you win quite often. Let me just say that right away. And you can also click this information there to see more about the exact rules, what you win, how much you win, and all this. And you can also use this auto, but the bet also keeps going up. I can't necessarily always change that, but it's very easy. Basically, you just click, now I just clicked auto and it just keeps going. But you of course have a limited number of free spins. You can see the number of free spins I have here. It keeps going down. And once we reach 0, because right now it's just auto, I'm just sitting here talking and supposedly earning at the same time. And you can see I am actually earning. It is adding continuously coins to the top. So it seems like an easy way to earn like this. But of course, all of it comes down to the value of these coins, which we will talk about later. But what you need to know is, I'll just stop it here now to explain something, is that once you run out of the free spins, you see that there is something called free spins or get free spins, and that is by watching ads. And that's in general inside here. You will have to watch a lot of ads, often for what in my opinion are like spammy apps that it wants you to download. That's how they make revenue and are able to supposedly pay us. A lot of it by showing a lot of ads. Givvy has a lot of different apps. I also have like Givvy Videos, for example. I'll leave a link to that in the top corner. That's just one of the many apps they have where you supposedly can earn by watching videos, but all of them are really to get you to watch ads, because that's how they make money. But it's not a very effective way to earn by watching ads. Let me just reveal right away. I'll leave a link below to a video I have about the best ways to earn by watching videos or ads, so you can check that out instead also. But we'll get more to the full earning potential later. But this is just something to be aware of. That is how you get more free spins. But I also said that there are other earning methods, so let's go over those also. So you can see there's something called complete offers. So you can click this and see the different offers. And a lot of these are, for example, like offer awards. If you used to get paid to sites before, then you will know that there's these different paid offers where you can sign up for free trials, download apps and things like that. And there's quite a few of those. They also have some paid surveys. And these are definitely more effective ways to earn than this slots app. And they get paid for this, so they earn more like this, and therefore they can also pay us more. But it still doesn't pay nearly as much as the top get paid to sites. I also have a video about the top get paid to sites and apps. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. So I would say, like, if you want to take paid service, or if you want to take paid offers, you should use other apps instead. But overall, what you first of all need to consider before deciding if Givvy Slots is for you or not is the payout options and how much the value of the coins is. So let's go over that next. So when you're inside the app, you can see there's a little wallet, and if you click here, you can see the payout options, and you can see now that I have these 5,700 coins or points, but I need to earn 10,000 to have something that even has some kind of value. I need to earn 10,000 coins to have 1 cent. That's a lot of spinning or a lot of offers. And in general, you just need to really earn a lot of coins, because the whole system is made so it looks like, you could see I was just playing there and it just added like hundreds of coins continuously. So it gets very exciting. You just see it adding up. But when you then look at the value of it, the value is extremely low. However, what I do like is that they have good payout options. You see they have per year and many other different options. And if you scroll through, you see they also have Revolut and they have RTM, Coinbase, so you can get paid in crypto, and Amazon gift cards, and also even PayPal. So it has some good options. The payout threshold is also fairly low. It starts at 19 cents, so a very low payout threshold. But because of the extremely low value of the coins, you still have to spend so much time earning to even just reach a low payout threshold of 19 cents. So that's why overall, even though you can get paid, it's just really not worth your time, in my opinion. So to sum it all up, Givvy Slots is an actually free slots app. There are not many of those that will actually pay you. This one will, and it's actually, unfortunately, probably one of the best free slots apps you can earn, but that does not mean it's good. It gives extremely low rewards. It takes a lot of patience. You need to watch a lot of ads, and it's just not worth the time, in my personal opinion. I prefer using methods that are more effective, and I have tested hundreds of different ways to earn online. I will leave links below to some info, for example, about the fastest way to earn by watching videos, the fastest way and best ways to earn by watching ads, and also just in general the top get paid to sites. So you can check out that information, because those methods are definitely more effective in my experience. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.